Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Splunk Universal Forwarder on Linux VPS step by step clearly. Start by connecting to your Linux VPS using SSH. Use a terminal emulator to open an SSH connection. Log in using your VPS credentials. Update your package manager's index to ensure you have the latest information. On Ubuntu or Debian systems, you can do this with the command sudo apt-get update. For CentOS or Red Hat systems, use sudo yum check update. Next, install the Splunk Universal Forwarder. Download the latest version from the official Splunk website using get or curl. For a Debian-based system, the command would look like this: git-o splunkforwarder.deb url_of_the_deb_package. For Red Hat-based systems, use git-o splunkforwarder.rpm url_of_the_rpm_package. Once the download is complete, install the package. For Debian-based systems, run sudo dpkg isplunkforwarder.deb. For Red Hat-based systems, execute sudo rpm ivh splunkforwarder.rpm. After installation, switch to the Splunk Universal Forwarder directory. Use the command cd/opt/splunkforwarder/bin. Now, initialize Splunk by accepting the license agreement. Run the command sudo/splunk start accept license. During initialization, set a username and password for the admin account. Make sure to remember these credentials, as you will need them later. Next, enable Splunk to start on boot by running sudo/splunk enable boot start. Follow the prompts to configure it as a service. Now, configure the data inputs you want to monitor with Splunk. Edit the inputs configuration file located at /opt/splunkforwarder/etc/system/local/inputs.conf. Add entries for the files or directories you wish to monitor. After saving your changes, restart the Splunk Universal Forwarder. Use the command sudo/splunk restart. Verify that the forwarder is running correctly. You can check the status with sudo/splunk status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.